Good morning, my frisky felines. I hope everybody is having an amazing day so far, or evening, depending on where you are. I want to start off this video by showing my black bin that everybody keeps asking me about that I pour in. So I found this at Home Depot. They also had them at Lowe's. I saw them. They were $20 a piece. They are 36 inches this way wide by 2 feet. So it's a big bin. But what I'm going to tell you right now is that you can just go out and buy a big, large Tupperware tote, the plastic tote or bin, whatever you guys call it. And if it's, you try to find one that's kind of low on the side so you don't have to hang over it while you're pouring. But that will work too. That's all this really is a Tupperware without a lid. Just a half-size Tupperware. But they do have them at Home Depot. You have to ask. I believe they were over where the cement mixing supplies are and the cement was. Okay? The thing that I love about this is, now this right here is just a piece of metal I found on the side of the road to balance my paintings on, but you could put 2 pieces of wood coming across any type. You could put a couple pieces of piping, you know, for like plumbing going across, whatever you want, it'll work. But the thing that's good about this is once your paint dries, it literally peels right off. And this right here can be very habit-forming. I'll just warn you. It's like picking a suntan or a sunburn. So, yeah, that's why I like to use this, because I just let it dry and then peel it out and it's good to go. All right? So, I'm going to set up for an acrylic pour, as you can see. And we'll get right into it. All right, my friends, I have some white on the canvas here. I had an idea. I had some old strands of shells, and I had an idea to put some paint on the canvas and literally run the strand of shells through the colors, almost like doing a swipe with them. So, I don't know how this is going to go. It could be an epic failure, but I just want to give it a shot. See if we get any kind of an unusual pattern from the texture of the shells, which I will show you here quickly. They're just your average little shells. So I figured I'd take them and run them through it and see what we have. So the colors I'm using, I'm working on Arteza canvas. I have links now for Arteza down in the description below. One for the UK, one for the US. It's a 12 by 12 canvas. I have the back taped. I'm also using all the matte colors, which I will tell you when I use them what they are Arteza brand, and then the 2 metallic colors that I'm using are by Color Art, Primary Elements. Very beautiful colors. You have to have a flat or matte type of paint when you use Primary Elements. When you make a painting with nothing but metallics, it takes over. It's too much. So you need those flat or matte colors to balance out the piece, to give your eye a place where it's, you know, just flat, not sparkling. And then what happens is that metallic color just pops more. So you need that. If you try to do a painting with all metallics, most of the times you're going to have a hard time. most of the time. Can it be done? Yes, but okay. So here we go. So I'm using burnt umber. And I think what I'm going to do is just do a little puddle, maybe right here. By the way, these paints are mixed with nothing but water. No Floetrol, no silicone, no nothing, just water. I've been testing and experimenting with different mixtures to see what does what. All right, so that's the burnt umber. Then up next, I'm going to use some violet. By the way, this is how I store my paints that are left over. I just use my old dirty gloves and snap them right over the top. Works perfect. All right, so a little violet. A little, and I'm going to use some copper by Liquitex, also mixed only with water. Just a little bit. Okay. And now I'm just going to sandwich that again, but this time I'm going to add a little bit of white. And then, now this is Bolivian Blue by Color Art Primary Elements. I don't know if you could see that. I didn't mix much up because I don't need much. I think I'm going to put a drop here. Okay, and then this is Wild Jasmine. See how I'm strategically placing it? And now with these, I'm going to go around the outside here. Okay, and then the same with the blue. All right, I have my strand of shells. And I'm going to go half up this way and then half down this way. Actually, slam the brakes on. I'm supposed to be getting an oil change right now. I'm going to be late. And my cat is coughing her head off from allergies outside of my door. It's really annoying me. Making me forget things. All right. Try this again. Oh, I'm afraid. All right. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Gotta pull it a little bit more. Huh. Very interesting. So it doesn't do anything really except like comb through it. But let me plug the bitch in and see what we can do here. Ooh, too much. I'm sorry I didn't shut off the dryer, guys. I'm just in the zone here and I forgot it was running. All right, here we go. I do like this though here. And then one more here. And I'm going to leave that alone. Because that is not half bad. Just going to move it a tiny bit. I love this and these that I added here. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to leave it at that. I love it. Absolutely love the composition. I love everything about it. And I have to go get my oil changed. So, if you have any questions, leave them below. But you see how nice now? You have those matte colors. You have the nice metallics of color, primary elements, color art. And yeah, it just balances it out nice. I actually really, really like this area. All right, guys, I'm going to give you a close-up, and then I have to go. If I don't kill myself first. Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Maybe I'll have to revisit those shells again. The primary elements were mixed with Polypore, which is also sold by Color Art. And there you have it. I guess I should probably look at it like this. Or like this. Sorry, guys. So I hope you guys all have a great day. I would love to give a shout out today to Naptime Creations. Go check her out. It's Miss Tish over there. And tell her I said hi. She has some amazing videos, new channels starting out. And let's show her some love, guys. Have a great day and happy pouring.